wall na yun. Sa tasa ng tayo nag-start. Para pag may time pa kayo, okay lang. You want the group picture?
Yeah,
Group picture.
Pilo natin
Piece by piece, banig design. Kasi banig po yung product ng Layton.
When was this constructed?
Walang
kahoy. 1979.
banig design.
The guest room, and this is the biggest guest room out of 13. Shell. Shell were used as an accent. May mga diorama po yan, yung po yung nag-indicate ng life history ni Mrs. Marcos. So ito, first presidential oath taking 1965. Yung isa, opening ng Cultural Center 1969.
Picture niya.
Bongbong sa Baguio po yan.
So itong
25th silver wedding anniversary. Okay, this is the fireflies receiving area because of the tiny lights. Wood carving, si Malakas at si Maganda.
Wow. Buti hindi pa ito inaanay.
Merong iba. Shell fountain with corals. Halipakpak, receiving area. Frames here showcasing on how Magellan discovered the Philippines by Manala.
Uy, nice kayong shell.
Mga saan?
Ma'am, sino nag-paint ito?
Manalad.
Okay.
This is what, ma'am?
Okay, we have here 20-seaters dining room. This is soundproof. The wall is made of cloth with foam inside. Stained glass made of broken bottles, colored bottles.
Nagamit niya ito for meeting.
They use this only twice. During the opening, and then twice first a time, and then it was sequestered with the government. Liquidating, no maintenance from the government. Pero meron sa NGO, under that Palawan, CDS-CP, nag-rent po sila sa PCGG. Sila po yung may hawak na yan. But still, this is under liquidation. Ang tubig po sa chapel hanggang Bewan, pag-akyat dito kalati ng binti, makapal ang puti. Ang miracle po doon, yung tubig sa labas lampas tao, hindi po yung pumasok. In just one click, humupa po yung tubig.
Wow.
Pero yung po mga views na yun, nakalutang po lahat, pati yung mga santo. Lutang po lahat yan.
Gusto santo. Pa-picture po.
Second and third step only. Second, mga lalaki. Akyat ka rin, no? Para maano siya na. Nara wood yung.
Wow.
Akyat tayo?
Picture lang.
And they look at...
Hindi siya basa lang.
Pwede ko sa
Yung leg nyo dyan, dito tayo.
Diyan pala. Sige. Mariam, picture ka na po.
Ay, meron ka nilimutin na.
Okay, yan po yung family tree ng Romualdez's. Imelda on top. The center, below Imelda, her father, Vicente Orestes Romualdez. Below Vicente, the two wives. First wife on the left side, Dr. Lourdes, Vicente Jr., Victoria, Sister Bellarmine, and Francisco. That belongs to the first wife, lahat po yan, wala na. Sa second wife, si Imelda yung eldest, that's why she's on top. Next to Imelda going down, Kokoy, father ni Speaker, Alita, Beo, father ng mayor dito, Armando and Conchita. Si Kokoy, Alita, Conchita, wala na po yan, and the rest po ay given by Vince Brias, Spanish lady painter. We have here John. Ito na yung product ng Layton Samar. Kasi po yung kahoy lang, di ba?
Oh, wow. Patouch po.
Ay, ano yan? Nakapaint po ang mga klase na ba yun?
Narrow chandelier from Pampanga. Carpet from Persia. All Nara set Pampanga also. Stained glass from Europe. Another painting given by Big Cebrias, Spanish painting. No, they used this only twice during the opening and then twice rest of time.
Hindi daw ta, pinadiagonal daw ta.
Diagonal painting.
Oh, yes. Okay, yes po.
State of Limaco. Egg pillow, China. Grandfather's clock from France. 1901 piano from Spain.
Grandfather's clock from France. 1901 grand piano
From France.
from France.
The architect was George Ramos, but this is all Imelda's idea.
George Ramos. The architect is George Ramos, but the idea is Madame Imelda. Yeah. Marcos Senior bathroom.
Sad, uy, kinireklamo kong anak nga. Kasama kong balay.
Ikapila na nimo nga balay,
Mga
madam.
asawa na kong mga Marcos. 11 pa to 12.
This is pa po, nung nag-candidate siya ng pagka-senator, she was crying. Kasi hindi na siya nag-expect na buo pa ito. Unlike in Ulob, yung bahay nila, looted po yun. Ito hindi, kasi nabantayan man namin. Mama ka na, para lang makita.
From Russia, bed from Spain.
Madami pa talaga mga gamit. Ano po yun siya? Hindi nasira siya. This is centralized aircon before during the centralized. This is still under litigation. Pwede naman siguro niya. Depende lang po sa amin. Tapestry from Belgium.
Tapestry from Belgium.
Para lang makita. Sige, dito kayo ma'am dito. Lahat kayo dyan. Straight.
Wow! So the butterfly.
I like that. Okay, kaya na naman.
Amy? Ay, sa nga room.
Pero wala yan.
The adopted child.
The adopted siya who?
Lagi no, naman.
Sana yung asawa mo? Sige, kayo dalawa.
Kami. Jade?
Hanggang ngayon, nangangamoy pa.
Hello, Jade.
Hello, Jade. Unsay smell ni Jade?
Ana, she smells good.
China collections niya.
Wow, this is made of pineapple fiber.
Dibu-dibu.
Picture.
Nagmayon og
Isi ato.
masod.
Ate din, tagtangon na nagtagsa-tagsa.
After urinating, you come here here. And this one, mo ni siya ang bidet para sa babae. Para sa inyo ang girly-girly.
Muo din.
Si Kwan bali?
Wala.
Gi-gift ni siya? Ano ni siya?
Kamuning kay Marcos din eh. Oh, diha aside. Dili nga side.
Ano siya ang ilang adopted, si Little Amy.
Asa naman na siya?
Nakasawa taga CDO, lawyer.
Nagya po na katong kapon kay
International Rice Research. Ang diorama when she met Gaddafi in Libya. Ito, yan hindi po yung bamboo. That's not a wood.